Let's pack our Coquette cat slime together. You guys sold this slime out so fast and for a good reason. It combines the two best things in the world, cats and the Coquette aesthetic, which go together like bread and butter. My favorite part of the slime has to be the little kitty add-on that it comes with. So let's grab some white clay and press it into our mold. Isn't it so adorable? From there, we'll pack our Coquette decoration bag with some pink sprinkles and of course a bow charm. Once mixed, this slime is perfect for pokes and bubble pops and even has a delicious white cake and vanilla frosting scent. It's a sister to our bestseller matcha cat, and I definitely recommend you adding both to your slime collection. Also, I don't know about you guys, but when you add bows to everything, I feel like it makes that so much better. What other cat slime should I make next? Let me know in the comments.